Alright guys, welcome back. It's probably going to be really noisy, but hopefully you can still hear me and it's not too annoying. So I finished up the makeup on these rooms this morning. So that took me a little bit of time, just going through all these rooms and making up all the plugs. So those are ready to go. And then once I got down to the end, I did several things today. So I came down here, and then I ran some more home runs out of, or not home runs, well, some of them are home runs, but basically home runs out of the home run box right here. So got a couple, 2 or 3 number 6 circuits, so those will be tied together in the box. Some of these are going to a plug over there. That's going to be next to the stairs, and that's not framed yet. Most of these are just going across the little metal roof joist. So anyways, and then I went and did the plugs for the hallway. It's going to go up and over along the studs or the ceiling, and then that all connects to here. So these are going to be the hallway plugs, and then that just goes up to the, that just splits off. One goes that way, one goes that way. And I just got either zip tied or with a beam clamp right there, just going across. So got one there, got another one right here. Another one over here. Another one over here. Looks like they started to put the mud rings on for the boxes. And then this one just came out of the home run box, which is right up, over, and around into this box right here. And then there's another one around this corner. Right here, started to make these up at the end of the day. And then the last one, these are all circuit 22 for the hallway plugs. And this kind of looks like a bathroom. I don't know what this is going to be. Anyways, so basically did a bunch of plugs again today. So the hallway plugs, and then more of the office plugs on this side. And then I feel like there was something else. Maybe that was it. I feel like I'm totally missing something, but possibly that was it. But just doing some more makeup at the end of the day, just going through and making these up, and then picking up garbage at the end of the day. So I feel like I'm totally missing something, but maybe that was actually it. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed, and hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Stay safe, don't get the coronavirus. I'm tired of hearing about it myself, but stay safe out there. Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you couldn't hear anything I was saying at the job site, basically I was just pulling plug circuits and making up plug circuits, and that's literally about it. So first I started the day with making up the office plug circuits, then pulling the other home runs to the other plugs, and then pulling the hallway plugs, and then just making up those boxes and other people's boxes for the rest of the day, and then picking up garbage at the end of the day for like 20 minutes. So anyways, that was it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys back here on Monday. I appreciate all the support. Once again, had a rough morning, freezing cold, battling my mind for half the day. And then second half of the day always seems to get better, so I'm thankful for that. Another like 60 degrees or something right now, just beautiful outside. Currently dying because I got the windows up for audio purposes for you guys, so drop me a like. And I'll see you guys back here on Monday at the latest, assuming work is not canceled. Anyways, no cancellations yet from coronavirus, and someone sent me something that maybe there's a cure now for corona. I'm not sure. So anyways, that's good news, and I'm gonna stop talking. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Just check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell for live streams or video uploads. I'll see you guys back here on Monday at the latest, and I'll probably be doing a gaming live stream very soon after this video uploads, probably in an hour or so. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Later.